Let's go. Come on. Yay! Lots of snow, folks. We had a blizzard last night. But one good thing about all of it, besides its beauty, it's all very light and powdery. It takes nothing to get rid of it. Sophie loves it. Right, Soph? So what do you think, Soph? What do you smell? What do you smell? Huh? What do you smell? Come on over. That's it. She's very inquisitive. Oh, she's going in underneath. She's looking for that bone again, a little sneak. Did you find it? Come on. Show everybody what you're doing in there. Oh, geez. I'm gonna trip. What do you think? Come on. There we go. What? And away she goes. Down here hiding. There you go. Oh my gosh. There she goes. And she's out of sight.